Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of an Office 365, and I'm also using the desktop application, as you can see right now. So, there are a few options that you can, create a hyperlink in Outlook. So let's say you're creating a new email and you want to add some links. So the simplest one, you just can, copy an email, copy an address. So what you want to do is to, select and copy by just pressing copy. And as you can see, you can use it with a Ctrl C. So let's use the Ctrl C. So now I have copied the link. And now I just want to paste it. So Ctrl V. Or also I can do it by right click and then paste. And as you can see right here, I don't have any more paste options right now. I don't know why, because I should have many paste options, but maybe this is going to work with the YouTube link as I'm going to show you. So let's just leave it as it is. And this is going to be a link. So when someone clicks on it, this is going to follow him to this web page, as you can see right now. So maybe let's try with the YouTube link. This is another video from Outlook on our channel. So let's again Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So this will, paste the whole link that we have copied. Maybe you don't want to have the link so long. So again, right click. And as you can see, we can only paste as a text. I don't know why I do not have any more options, because you should have some another options with pasting, but maybe today it isn't working properly. So, but let's say that you want to create something like this. So, and you want to get the link in this section right here. So let's just select this one, then right click on the selected text and then add link. Click on the link, and here you can just paste the address. In my case, this is going to be the YouTube address. And let's say video link here. And again, maybe web page link here. And again, let's copy this one right here. Ctrl C, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Go back to the Outlook. Sorry, this one. And again, select this one, right click, link. As you can see, you have these recent items. So maybe it is faster to just, click, point on the arrow, and this will bring you the one right here. And now, as you can see, if I follow the link, this will bring me to the YouTube video, and this one is going to bring me to the web page. So this is it. This is how you can create hyperlinks in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!